Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a bit since I made a video. I'm actually sitting here watching YouTube right now from a channel called Crank That Frank, which I just found after searching random videos. This has nothing to do with it. But besides that, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing another hair transformation soon. It's not going to be involving like coloring my hair or anything. I'm still trying to grow it out. I do believe this will help me with wanting to color my hair with the urge and whatnot. I did just dye my hair with the blue-black hair dye again. I actually ran out and I used a little bit of green to give more of a blue tinge to the black instead of purple. It actually toned out a lot of the purple, thank God. But I may get a lot of hate for the, things that I got that I'm going to be doing with my hair transformation, but I'm seeing it more and more nowadays. I kind of like the look. So let's get into it. So I have a couple different packs of hair. Not hair extensions. Technically they are, but they're not like long hair extensions you brush out. They're the locks, the faux locks, dreadlocks. I know a lot of people don't like to use that term, and I can understand why, because of, past events that happened in history, but that's essentially what they are. They're faux locks. They're single-ended, and I'm going to show you the different colors I have. I did get black as my base. Show you real quick. They've all been sitting in the package because I'm waiting for them to get installed and whatnot. So let me just show you real quick. So the first set I actually opened just because I got so excited. They are these. They're in 1B. Sorry, the camera's not picking up the actual color. Let me try and slide them out a bit so that way you can see them. I now have an iPhone, so I'm still trying to figure out how it works and whatnot. So please bear with me. I can't pause my videos. But this right here is the color. They're essentially black. There's not much to them. I would face you guys a little bit more towards the light that I have over here, but since I have overhead lights, and there's several because this is technically the basement of where I'm staying, it's kind of hard to. So that's the first set. I got 2 packs of them. There's 18 per pack, and I got them for like $8 at my local beauty supply store. For my second color, because I need to add some color, still pretty much natural. These are in 1B30. That is the color, and it's like a caramelly brown right here. That's actually showing up true to color when it's not dark. They are the faux locks. They're already sealed and whatnot, but I'm probably going to go back over and just tease them up a little bit and whatnot later on. And for the last color I have, it is these. So now these are more of like a brownish red. I got the color right here, the 1B30 for transition of these. I actually wanted to do kind of like a brown, black, blonde, but my store didn't have them. These are actually 1B350. I didn't really pay attention to the names of the colors. I just saw them and I thought they were pretty. They're more like a reddish brown right here. So my idea is probably going to be have the black on top, and then like midway down have the brown transition into the red on the bottom, just because I think it looks cool. I wanted to do my hair a little bit differently because one of my boyfriend's friends are getting married. The wedding is going to be coming up in just over a month. I also wanted to update you guys too. I'm probably going to be putting a couple videos out. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but I do plan on going to Maine with my boyfriend. Me and him are a little bit loopy right now because he's a pain in my butt a lot of the time nowadays. But if so, I should be going to Salem and Maine, and that will be in a couple of weeks. I will be updating you guys and whatnot. So please stay tuned. When I actually have these in, it's probably going to be within the next couple of weeks, probably like 3 couple of days before the wedding, and I'll show you what they look like in and all that good stuff. But until then, like, subscribe, and comment. Leave video requests down below, videos you would like to see more, and that's all I really got to say. Keep on rocking with whatever hair you have. My hair is a mangy mess right now, just washed it. And it's dry now, of course, but it's a big frizzy mess. But yeah, see you guys later. Love ya.